All right, folks, so we are closer to the inner city right here in the Spring Branch area of Houston. This property is a new construction property, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a lot of key upgrades such as quartz countertops, engineered wood flooring throughout the entirety of the first floor, primary on the first floor, and a lot of other upgrades. I hope you folks enjoy this property tour. Of course, if you want more information, link in the description below. Let's go take a look at it. All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another video. Today, we are in the Spring Branch area of Houston. We're gonna be looking at this beautiful new construction. It was just built, just put on the market. So you are getting an inside look of a beautiful property. So this one is a custom build. So as soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice the beautiful foyer with the unique gold trim chandelier coming down. And as soon as you walk in, you're going to be greeted with the study right to the left when you come in. Absolutely beautiful. So you're going to have engineered wood throughout the property. On the first floor, you have lush carpet on the second floor. But even looking at the size of this study, you have plenty of room and plenty of space. Even when you're greeted with the front door, you have the glass pane. And then as soon as you walk to the right, you're going to have your little hall tree. Plus, you're going to have a 2-car garage right here as well. Plenty of space inside of there. And then we'll pan right here. This will be your laundry room. So of course you have your sink with your cabinetry in there with your cabinet crowning, unique tile flooring, and this will be your powder room. So of course you have the gold trim on the top. You have this beautiful stone right here as far as the floating countertops. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back to the channel. Always nice to see you. And then if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks just like you looking to purchase beautiful properties just like this. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, of course, all the information is in the description below, and I'd love to help. But as you see right here, look how beautiful this high 20-foot ceiling living great room, whatever you want to call it. But it's absolutely gorgeous. So they have it staged in here. No one has ever lived in this property just yet. They wanted to give you a basis of what it would look like. But even looking at the kitchen, look how beautiful this kitchen is. You have the quartz countertops with the gold trim, pot filler, wooden range hood, beautiful backsplash that matches the quartz countertops, even the gold trim on all of the cabinets and all the drawers. Absolutely beautiful. And then you have your beautiful oversized walk-in pantry. And of course, this will be a sliding door, so you can just slide that right there. Plenty of space for a nice size fridge right there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Even over the lighting fixtures, you have that gold trim. Even the wagon wheel chandelier coming down right here in the breakfast room. Absolutely gorgeous. So the good thing is you do have the primary bedroom that's downstairs. This one's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And let's see, in here, of course, you have a lot of space for a closet. And then you even have more space right here for a coat closet. And then even going into the primary bedroom. So you have your recessed lighting. You have your bay windows right here that adds a lot of natural lighting that everyone absolutely loves, especially going into 2024. It's perfect. You have plenty of space in here. Of course, even on the bay windows, you could add 2 chairs. You have a queen size bed right here as well. And then even walking into your ensuite, look how beautiful that is. You have your oversized soaking tub, his and her sink right there. Look how massive this shower is. You have your shower bench with your shower niche right there. You got your waterfall shower on top. Plenty of space in here. Of course, right here to the left, you have your toilet, but even walking into the primary walk-in closet, look how much space. You even have two sides right here. So of course, fellas, this could be your side. Ladies, this will be your side because you have a little bit more space. And if you notice, the engineered wood goes in there as well. I love the tile flooring in here because I think it adds a nice pop to this property, especially to those countertops. Absolutely gorgeous. And now what we'll do is we'll head upstairs so that way you can see what's going on. But even looking at the front door, look how much natural light comes in here. Perfect. And then the engineered wood, they did continue it up the stairs, which is great. And then of course, like I mentioned before, you'll have your carpet upstairs. And then this will be your game room area overlooking downstairs. So you'll have a total of 3 bedrooms up here. Look how much space. Perfect for entertaining guests. And we'll head this way so that way you can see the size of the bedrooms. So you have enough space in here. Like I said, you could probably put a queen size bed in here, 2 night tables, and you'll still have plenty of space. And even going in here. So this property is about 15 minutes away from downtown Houston. You're great within proximity to a lot of places. Even in this bathroom right here, you got your shower tub combo. They did add a glass door right here just to kind of prevent a lot of that spray happening. And then of course, not having to put shower curtains. That's always a plus. And this will be the 3rd bedroom. So like I said, you got plenty of space in here. You're about 5 minutes away from the Memorial City Mall, which has a lot of things to do. They had a lot of additions. You have everything that you need here. You can pop on I-10, which is the major freeway here in Houston that runs along through Houston, and you can get to a lot of places very quickly. You can pop on I-10 within minutes, probably about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you'll be there. And then this would be your 3rd and final full bathroom. So of course you got your stainless steel lighting fixtures on top, stainless steel handles, nice tile flooring right there inside of there. And look at this, folks. This would be great for a media room, just kind of kicking back and having friends in there. Of course, you can probably put a projector up here or even a nice size TV. Just entertain some folks. They wanted to make sure the property was aesthetically pleasing right here. So you can see what they got in here, but it just kind of gives you a basis of the space. And then even walking into the 4th and final bedroom. So again, you do have plenty of space in here. Even with the nice size walk-in closet right there, you have that plush carpet, which adds a cozy feel to the property upstairs. That way you don't have to worry about it in the wintertime. You just put your feet down once you get out of bed and you're not automatically frozen. So that's always a plus. So yeah, I mean, this is a fantastic property. What we'll do is we'll see what it's looking like in the backyard. But again, the good thing is I get a lot of folks on the channel that really want to be seeing properties that are closer to the city. So that way you can see, what they're offering around here as far as new construction, because nothing really beats new construction whatsoever. And then we'll take a look in the backyard. So of course you have your covered backyard patio. It's not extended, but you do have some space out here to put how they did, maybe some patio equipment and things like that. Of course, you got your ceiling fan right there as well. And then even looking at the backyard, you definitely have plenty of space. Kind of entertaining some folks, or especially if you are having kids over, this will be a perfect place for you. And then even looking at the exterior of the property. All right, folks, so I hope you absolutely enjoyed this property. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this. Of course, did it meet your expectations? Would you rather prefer being out in the suburbs or closer to the inner city to have access to a lot of amenities and things like that? Of course, if you want more information, link in the description below. And then also, if you want to, I have a lot of property tours on here. Click this one right here, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. See you on the next video.